That'll be a handful forever, aren't you?
What are you doing?
Tell Mommy. What are you doing, Knox? He thinks it's touchscreen because our phones are touchscreen.
Oh.
You're
waving?
You're such a flirt.
That's what he was doing at Wendy's. Everybody, he'd wave at. He'd say, hi, hi. He was waving at some guy eating with his son. Then he was offering him pieces of his chicken nugget.
I had this little Hispanic boy I was over conducting the shoe table over there, and he said, "Hey, do you have kids?" I said, "I do." He said, "Do you have a boy or a girl?" I said, "I have a boy." And he said, "Well, how old is he?" And I said, "1." He goes, "Could you bring him to my house to play with me?" I don't even know this kid. He's like 5 or 6 years old. Like, how strange is that? I know. Can you bring him to my house?
I live on it.
I bet Mama's legs are getting tired, son.
Here, I can just shove you in there. Look.
Now there's a picture.
I'll take that. Oh, what'd you do to it?
You
He's
broke it.
mad.
Hey.
I just shoved him in the... He'd say if he was. Oh, I don't know what all that is.